Hi everyone. Nasusukat ang isang talunan, ang isang winner, kung paano sila mag-response sa adversity na meron sila. So, hindi pala nasusukat ang mga bagay-bagay sa kung anong meron ka. Kundi, nasusukat yon kung paano ka gagalaw, kung paano gagawin mo sa bagay na meron ka. It's not what you react, but how you respond on the adversity or circumstances that we encounter in our life. Doon nasusukat yung winner na pagkatao ng isang babae or ng isang lalaki. How they reveal themselves, of how they handle things na na-encounter nila sa buhay nila. But most of us is reactive rather than responsive. So, napaka-importante na mapakita natin kung paano tayo nagiging winner sa buhay natin, is mapag-aralan natin na matuto tayong maging how to respond sa mga bagay-bagay, at lalo na kung sa mga bagay na meron tayo, kung paano natin i-develop yung sarili natin, kung paano natin i-improve kung anong meron tayo. Kung meron kang lemon, example na lang, kung meron kang lemon, they make a lemonade. So, how you create something beautiful out of what you have, kung paano ka mag-response sa mga bagay-bagay. Mas piliin natin na mag-response tayo in a positive way kaysa mag-react tayo. Kadalasan tayo is nagre-react sa mga bagay-bagay na hindi tayo nag-iisip kung ano yung sasabihin natin. Basta ang importante makapag-react lang. That's how people reveal themselves. But the true winner versus the losers is yung winner, they know how to respond well, na hindi sila losers, na at the end of the day, they still a winner. How? Because they are not effect of the things surrounding. They are not effect of the adversity that they encounter. They are the causative, the positive causative in their lives, whatever it is, no matter how small it is or how big it is, they know how to make something beautiful out of nothing. They know how to respond well. Hope this simple motivational talk will learn something. Be a winner, not a loser. And how you reveal yourself as a man or as a woman, it depends how you respond or how you react. Thank you everyone, and God bless.